Nouns everywhere we look, building blocks of every book. People, places, things you see. Nouns awaiting wild and free. A fluffy cat, a roaring train, a mountain high, a pouring rain, a juicy apple, sweet and round. Nouns all around the world they found. A shimmering lake, a bustling town, a silly grin that makes you frown, a tasty pizza, hot and cheesy. Nouns are sneaky, can you appease them? A fluffy cat, a roaring train, a mountain high, a pouring rain, a juicy apple, sweet and round. Nouns all around the world they found. A shimmering lake, a bustling town, a silly grin that makes you frown, a tasty pizza, hot and cheesy. Nouns are sneaky, can you appease them? A fluffy cat, a roaring train, a mountain high, a pouring rain, a juicy apple, sweet and round. Nouns all around the world they found. So listen close, the world will shout. Nouns are calling all about. People, places, things you see. Nouns are everywhere, just wait and see. So listen close, the world will shout. Nouns are calling all about. People, places, things you see.